In the U.S., there are 3 to 4 billion pounds of carpet that go into landfills every year. They never biodegrade while wasting reusable resources, emitting greenhouse gases, and polluting the air. However, a new business here in Rancho Cucamonga called XTGreen uses a newly invented, patented process that recycles carpet underwater, giving it the highest recycling rates and highest greenhouse gas benefits than any carpet recycling that's ever been done.
XTGreen is a company that was created specifically for creating a new technology to recycle carpet. We decided to recycle carpet very differently than it had been done in the past, and that is to have it done underwater.
This facility will have a capacity to process 4 million pounds of carpet each month, increasing the overall capacity in California by about 40%.
For instance, when it comes to our first facility alone, the greenhouse gas benefits will be the equivalent of planting 2.5 million trees and the carbon that's sequestered from those trees over 10 years. So it's just a huge greenhouse gas benefit, and also with that we'll be saving over 13 million gallons of oil every year. There will be zero emissions from this facility. There'll be no discharge to sewer. It's a totally self-contained facility.
Since carpet is made to stick together and not to be taken apart, if it's recycled on land, a lot of the material ends up breaking off and polluting the air, and the extra materials that would be reusable get destroyed. By inventing a process to recycle carpet underwater, XTGreen has solved those problems.
So the first step, you got the carpet coming in bales. It has to be size reduced. And in the past, most people would size reduce it very, very small. We just need to reduce it to pieces this size. And then it will go into huge pulpers. It's technology transfer out of the pulp and paper industry. And so they mix it and all underwater, and that will create a mixed fiber. And then coming out of the bottom will be calcium carbonate. And that's the filler that's in carpet. And that will go into our water treatment, and that'll be put into cakes, and then we'll harvest that too. Usually that has gone to landfills in the past. And that's one of our products, calcium carbonate, which will go into building products. So the next is the mixed fiber. And the mixed fiber is the nylon and the polypropylene. And then that gets separated out in a couple of giant centrifuges. So what comes out the other end is nylon and polypropylene. Because it's all underwater, it has to be dried. Our dryers are actually RF dryers, radio frequency dryers. So with that, we will separate out the nylon, and it'll either be, again, nylon 6, nylon 6/6. So the nylon 6 usually goes into fiber, and a lot of that will be recycled back into carpet, yay! And others will be put into resins, which is compression molded. And so if you open up your hood of your car and anything that looks like a plastic, that's probably nylon. And that's a thermoplastic because it can take a lot of heat. And so not only does it use recycled material, it also lightens the weight of the car. And with that, you get better gas mileage. And so the majority of our resins will go into auto parts or even furniture. And the fiber, besides carpet, will go into bathing suits, sleeping bags, that type of thing. And then the polypropylene, usually that's not recovered, but that's the backing fiber, and we'll be recovering that. And that will be going into packaging. And so with that, we'll be creating the green jobs, saving oil. First facility, 13 million gallons of oil that we'll save. And we'll be reducing the greenhouse gases. And our first facility will be the equivalent of planting the 2.5 million trees.
XTGreen has been under development for the last 5 years, going from conceptual design to concept testing, custom equipment manufacturing, and more. Now they've perfected the process and will open their doors in Rancho Cucamonga this summer.
We had a real challenge when it comes to finding a large facility because of the e-commerce in the area and throughout California. So to find a plus 1,000 square foot building, especially as a new company, was extremely difficult. So the governor's office, who's been very supportive of our whole program, started calling up the local area. We knew we wanted to be in Southern California, and we wanted to be in the Inland Empire. And so within minutes, Rancho Cucamonga called us up and said, "We want you here. what can you do? Because part of their vision, part of their sustainability program in Rancho Cucamonga is to attract green businesses into the area.
XTGreen is also the first carpet recycler in the country to be able to process commercial carpet, helping businesses recycle old carpet as well. So whether you're a homeowner or a business owner and you're looking to recycle your old carpet, you can take both your carpet and padding to West Valley MRF and Transfer Station. Or visit carpetrecovery.org/CA to discover a carpet manufacturer near you.
Throughout California, drop-off zones for carpet have been established, and this has been established through the California Carpet Stewardship Program, and this is instituted by an organization called CARE. And they are setting up these drop zones, and one of them happens to be very close by, in Fontana. And so if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you're pulling out carpet, you can take your carpet and pad and drop it off, and they should set a price that would be less expensive than going to a landfill.
XTGreen is also looking to fill 65 skilled manufacturing jobs here in Rancho Cucamonga. To learn more about the job opportunities available and stay up to date with XTGreen, visit their website at xtgreen.com. Thanks for watching this episode of RC Spotlight. I'm Maddie Perry, and we'll see you next time.